So we do. Starting on A, place your bowl on the middle of the bowl and pepperoni pizza. On the A, pepperoni pizza. Stop, change to E and pepperoni pizza. Stop, first finger on E and one, 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 one. Lift your one, open E. Pepperoni pizza. Already? Now I'm gonna show you my left hand. Ready? And always keep your thumb underneath about your yellow line. About that, you keep your thumb underneath your fingerboard so you could play on the violin. So you start open, ready, and go, and pepperoni pizza. E, ready, go, and pepperoni pizza. E, first finger, pepperoni pizza. Back to open E and pepperoni pizza. Good job. See you next time.